A penny for your thoughts. A penny for your thoughts is a friendly way of asking someone what they are thinking about, especially when they seem quiet, distracted, or lost in thought. Let's look at some example sentences. You have been staring out the window for a while. A penny for your thoughts? I noticed you were smiling while looking at those old photos. A penny for your thoughts? Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. You look deep in thought after reading that message. What's going through your mind? You look deep in thought after reading that message. A penny for your thoughts? Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.